Come on, look. Let him fly to you, honey. Just wait a second. Put your hand out, just like that. Here he comes. Now he's gonna nibble you. Don't try to hold him, just do that. It's okay. He's a biter, huh? It's on Daddy. They're on Daddy's phone. Look, it's upside down. Hey, it is. I think this is our favorite, the bird cage. Hands down. Oh, Bailey, you're not supposed to grab him like that. You just like setting him free. Hey, come here. I'll set you free. Hey, you better quit being mean to him. Yeah. Look, you gotta let him jump on you first, and you can't get scared. Oh! That's the biter. Yeah, let's get the biter back. Oh, birds all over my phone. Bird tail, out.
Dude, look at them all over my feet.
What's going on there?
I have no clue.
They won't leave him alone either. Bailey's covered in birds.
Oh, I almost stepped on that one. I felt bad.
The ground is just covered. He can barely walk. This is a good time. I like the bird cage. A few of these little suckers are nibblers and they just nibble on your fingers. Bailey, put him down. He wants to get up. Look, you'll get more. Watch. You'll get more. Watch. You have to be slow and just one hand. One hand. See? You see how quick they come? But you want to flip his ass over and play with him. What are you doing?
Why are you being mean?
One hand, remember? One hand. You see, you can't grab them like that. You just, Bailey, you're not supposed to grab them like that. That's all I'm saying.